I'm here with another kit share. I have made this kit myself. It's a digital kit that I have made myself digitally. Woohoo! Yeah, I absolutely love this kit. This butterfly is my favourite clipart butterfly. A few of the journalers have made kits using this butterfly, and I've pretty much purchased them all. I love it. Yeah, so I had to have it. I love this butterfly as well. But yes, so I loved it that much. I actually didn't deviate very much from it when I've made it. Again, this background is one of my own backgrounds. It is this one, which is from a completely different kit. I just altered the colour of it. Slightly, not much actually, if you look. I just toned it down a little bit. But yeah, that's from a jelly print wipe off sheet is that, and as I've mentioned before at the end of the video, when it pops up saying thank you for your support, the background of that image is this page, is this. I believe it's that way actually. But yeah, I absolutely love this. This is my favourite one, so I can see this featuring a lot in my kits, to be honest, as a background. But yes, so anyway, get to the kit. There are 4 front pages, 3 back pages and 1 journal card page. I just kind of couldn't stop. But like I said, I loved it that much. I kind of didn't deviate from that. So this is the first page, and you may notice there's a crease down the middle of these pages. That will not happen on yours. That's because as I've printed them out, I've folded them to make sure the positioning was right on front and back. But yeah, so that is page 1. So it's just all this, and it says Flutter by Butterfly in the bottom right hand corner. Whoops, oh sorry guys, sorry, hold the wire. So yeah, it says Flutter by Butterfly in the bottom right hand corner. The next page is exactly the same, but it has that butterfly in the bottom right corner. The next page is exactly the same, but there's nothing in that corner because I figured maybe you'd want to stamp your own on there or put a label or something on there maybe, you know. This one is exactly the same as the front page, upside down, the first page, but there is like a diamond design in the background. I love this one. So that is the 4th, like what I've labelled the front page, and then these are what I'd say are the back pages. So they are just neutral pages that you could back the front pages with, or just use as a normal neutral page in your journal. I'm all over the place again. Okay, so there's the back page number 1, there's the back page number 2. It's just got the butterflies on the left of the front pages, these butterflies. It's just got them all over the page, but I've spaced them, I've tried to anyway, space them so that you'd be able to cut between, like split the difference between the middle of them there, because that would make a really nice tag. You know, you could have a smaller tag with 3 on or a nice tall tag with all 4 on. So I figured that might be a really nice alternative, well, option, as well as a blank page, as well as a nice neutral page as well. Then we have the plain page, but with the diamond design on it. I love this page, I really do. And then we have this page, which is the front page. Again, back to the front page, but it's got a little label down here that just says butterfly, and it's got a bit of lace added to the top and bottom. But by adding that in the program that I use, it shrunk the image down a little bit. So although this could be used as an actual page, in your journal, once it's folded in half and all the white edges are cut off, obviously I haven't done that, it's smaller, it's actually shorter top and bottom than the other pages, so it would work perfectly fine as an actual page. It'd just be a bit smaller, but I figured this one would be really nice. This is the one I've labelled journal card, because I figured with the lace at the top and the bottom and the label, it would make a really nice journal card, and it does. So this is it printed 4 to a page, just that one image printed 4 to a page. So you get 4 really nice sized cards there already, you know, just perfect, print and go really. And then that's it printed 2 to a page, which again, you know, you could use as a journal card, or you could possibly even use as a pocket. Even these, you don't have to be journal cards, you could use them as pockets. It's perfect. And that's it, guys. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to start doing this actually with kits. When I've printed them out and I come to do a show and tell, I'm going to start folding them in half to show you what they're like. In half, you know, ready for your journals. Sometimes you just need that extra, well I do anyway. I find sometimes it's nice to have just that extra little visual. Move them to one side. And you know, these plain pages, you don't have to have that at that side. And you could cut that off anyway if you wanted. You could have it that way. I just prefer it that way for some reason. I'm not quite sure why. But yeah, so when they're folded in half, this is what they look like. So this is what they'd look like in a journal. Yeah, so like front and back. Again, like I said, they're all really the same, just different slight variations in designs or in the bottom corner. Then you've got the plain ones. Like again, like I said, that'd look really nice as a tag. And you've got the other plain one, and then you've got the slightly smaller one. That'd look really pretty, that, but it is going to be just a little bit smaller than those pages. But by the time you've layered it up in a journal with other pages, it's not going to matter that it's slightly smaller. But yeah, so there you go, guys. And then, like I said, there's the journal card stroke pockets. So that is the kit printed on normal printer paper, normal 80 GSM printer paper that you'd get. This is the same kit printed on to 130 GSM. Yes, 130 GSM cardstock. Well, it's actually printer paper, but it's more cardstock weight. So there's not a lot of difference. It is still quite muted tones. I love soft colours. I love the colours. I really, really love the colours. But yeah, I haven't folded these ones in half. Sorry, my frame. I haven't folded these ones in half like the others, but like I said, this is it printed onto the 130 GSM cardstock. I can't show you what it's printed like on matte photo paper because I actually don't have any. I've run out. Yeah, so I was a bit devastated at that, really. So it's just a little bit darker. I wouldn't say darker, just a bit more enhanced, which makes it feel darker on the cardstock than it is on the normal printer paper. But it's, again, like I said, perfect for journal cards and or pockets. You know, like I said, you can embellish, but they are literally just ready for cutting out, print, cut out and shove in a journal and you're fine. Ready to go. So there you go, guys. There is my butterfly kit number 1, it is called. And yeah, so thank you so much for your support so far as far as the digitals are concerned, or have been concerned in the shop, you're amazing, guys. You all are really, and your support has been phenomenal. Yeah, I will be coming up with more soon, but I am otherwise busy doing the tag challenge, and I will be doing my own 30-day challenge, not 30-day, my own 100-day project challenge soon. So I'm going to be a little bit otherwise occupied for a while. There won't be any kits for a while unless they're scanned ones. But yeah, there are others coming, just not just yet. I need time. But yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and I hope you love the kit as much as I loved making it. Like I said, it is already in the Etsy shop. The links are below, and thank you all for your support. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.